Hey, Newbie Dan here. You know the deal. You use your router table to cut dados, and dust goes flying. What a mess. Well, behind this sheet, I have a simple, cheap, and effective solution. Stick around and I'll show you all about it. First, let's take a really quick look at my first highly over-engineered solution. It sort of worked. Here's a really quick look at its construction. If you actually care about it, you can pause to see what's going on. And if you have questions, leave them in the comments below. Okay, here's the real solution. Give it a chance before you just quit the video, okay? It really does work. And like I said, it's cheap and easy. Remember I told you that the secret is behind this sheet? I lied. The secret, if you can call it that, actually is this sheet. I put it up close to the router table and cut my dados. The sawdust ends up on the floor in a relatively small pile, making it a snap to vacuum up. Wait, you cry, how is this dust collection? Well, isn't it obvious? All the dust gets collected in one spot. Go ahead and laugh, then try it. I promise you'll laugh again, but this time it'll be an amazement that something so silly works so well. By the way, in case you wondered, I have this sheet hanging on a cheap clothes rack because, well, it was there. The rack breaks down for storage. For those of you who have spouses who might yell, "What are you doing with my nice sheets?" I'd recommend getting permission first. And you should probably use an old sheet, too. If this video helps, please give it a thumbs up and consider leaving a comment. Thanks! Check out the description for links to products seen in this video. Just scroll down, click Show More, and scroll down until you see the links. And if you like what I do here, click that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that bell to get notified about new videos. Thanks!